So, personal resources. Personal resources audit. You're gonna go through this like very, very simple. This is how you coach yourself. You just ask yourself these questions, right? For every bucket of resource, you're gonna have coaching questions, and you're just gonna list all the things. Like bring this stuff again to the level of your awareness. Reflect on your life and write. Personal resources. What are your core strengths? What are your unique qualities? What kind of past experiences, again, highlights, or maybe even not highlights, challenges that you've experienced that built your resilience and your abilities. Write this all stuff down. Qualities, strengths, skills, experiences. Professional resources, same thing. Your skills, your expertise, knowledge, network, achievements, write it all down. Financial resources, right? Your assets, savings, investments, any kind of financial support that you're getting, write it all down. Social resources, do the audit of your relationships. Who are the people who can serve as support systems that would facilitate and catalyze your change? Mentors, connections, again, maybe a coach, communities, all that stuff. Physical resources, your physical health primarily, but health services, workspace, tools, technology. What can you leverage really to create the change you want? Time resources, again, just do the audit of your calendar, understand how you allocate your time, but how do you design your routines, and how much actually time do you have for productive time? Here is a prompt that you can use. I'm doing a full audit of the resources that are available to me. Like you copy paste and you put it in ChatGPT based on my writing. Identify what are the most significant resources available to me and propose some ways how I can leverage these resources. So do the full audit and make it a clean version so that you can always lean on this page and come back to it, understand like this is the stuff that I have. And just by doing this exercise, you will create a feeling of resourcefulness within you. And it will also probably gonna inspire you to think in that direction. What is lacking? I have the resourcefulness. How can I create more resources for myself? Good luck.